guys, so today's video is going to be on the products that I have completely used up over the past few months since I last did this video. I have about 20 different things sitting in front of me right now. I'm so excited to show you guys everything, but I wanted to know before we get into it, if you guys have any products that you have used up lately, what are they? What did you like about them or not like about them? Please leave a thumbs up if you end up liking this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and let's go ahead and get started. This is so totally random, but I cut my finger while I was cutting chicken. I just decided not to put any nails on like I usually do, like the kiss press on nails that you guys see me wearing in basically every single video. I just decided, I'm like, you know what, I'm just not gonna put them on today. We're just gonna have ugly fingers. This is the Honest Beauty Honestly Protected Heat Defense Spray. It's made with barley protein that helps to provide thermal protection and reduces the potential for hair damage from the heat. It is also formulated with honey, which is a huge thing for me. I love honey. Anything that has honey in it, I'm gonna pretty much like it. It helps the hair to look more conditioned, and it really softens and smooths it out. I do have to say, it comes in really close with the Pureology 21 Essentials. I think that's what it is. That's a spray also that does a lot of amazing things. This is so similar to that. It gives me the same feeling to my hair. I gotta look at prices and see which one's cheaper. Probably this one though. So yeah, I'm gonna end up repurchasing this. Next up is the Batiste Dry Shampoo. I have mine in Divine Dark. My hair's pretty much black. Like, I dye it dark chocolate brown with Garnier Fructis. Some people ask me that in the comments. I figured I'd answer that. Yeah, it's really, really dark, so I can't just spray a white spray in my hair and expect everything to be okay. But this one is awesome. This really helps to make my hair look clean, like I just washed it. It gets rid of all the oil, and it helps the thinness so that it looks like it has more volume and texture to it, and it makes it so that it's easier for me to style my hair. Joico Joy Whip Firm Hold Design Mousse. I use this in the roots of my hair because it helps them to not look as greasy throughout the next few days, because I only wash my hair once or twice a week. I've tested this out before. I'm like, I wonder what this looks like, or what my hair looks like when I don't use this, and it's awful. It is so flat, like glued to my head, completely greasy and oily within like the first few days, and it's just awful. So this is a total must-have for me. I wrote down a few little cool things about it. So it's made with, I know I'm gonna be butchering this, I think it's kukui nut oil. It helps to moisturize, give body to your hair, and shine. It is also made with primrose oil, which helps to condition the hair. So just some random facts for you there. But yeah, I love this, and I will be repurchasing. Oh, and I already repurchased this. Next is the IT Cosmetics Secret Sauce. This moisturizer was my favorite last year. It's actually formulated with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, which I love to use on my face. It basically just helps to get rid of discoloration and uneven skin tone. It makes your skin so radiant, almost like a pearlescent kind of glow on your face, and I do really like that. So I used this a lot before I did my makeup, just so that I could have that nice glow coming through my foundation. Next is Marula Oil. It just comes with a dropper like this, so it's very easy to use. Feels amazing, is really fast absorbing. I also like the fact that it doesn't clog my pores. Some oils that I have tried do make me break out. This one definitely did not. I would recommend this oil if you are looking for just like an extra boost of moisture, something that you can you know, mix in with your moisturizer or as a step before you do your makeup, just if you're feeling really, really dry. I have this one, the Je ne sais quoi from IT Cosmetics. It's a lip treatment. Check this guy out. I dug my fingernails in there for weeks trying to get the rest of this out. It just gives my lips a nice like flush of color, but it's the same color as my lips. It's like sort of like a light pink. It's a lot more hydrating than a chapstick is. If you're used to a chapstick and you think that's good, you should try this and it will blow your mind. Girlaktic Beauty Precise Eyeliner Marker in black. I at first was like really scared to use it because the tip is so crazy long. Like, it's as long as my eye, but it's really easy to use, honestly. It's the most easiest eyeliner I've ever had to use. I think it's because the tip is just so flexible. It just moves with your hand so easily. It glides on. There was never any tugging or pulling. It's a very, very deep black formula, so you don't have to go over it multiple times in layers. It's just once and you're good to go. Next is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. So I used this completely up. I cannot squeeze anything else out in there. It's just gone. It's basically like a clear kind of gel. It's not sticky though. It's like really, really smooth, and it just like glides right onto your skin. It fills in all your pores and makes your skin so soft and even. I totally recommend it to you to try. Alright guys, so this one, like, I feel like it deserves an award. This is the Honest Beauty Truly Lush Mascara. It's finally done with. This mascara is so amazing, guys. It's a 2-in-1. It truly stays on. Like, this is the most longest lasting mascara that I have that actually comes off when you try to take it off. Very easy to get off. I also like the fact that it's like a dry formula, so it doesn't smear at all. It dries really quickly. The wand is so small. It's very, not small, but it's very thin, so I can just like really easily get in there. I also ran out of the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, guys. This was just a sample though, and I loved it so much I ended up buying the full size. So I'm using that right now, as well as the Tarte Lash Paint. Really, really dark black formula, so if you want your eyelashes to really blend in with your falsies or just be really dark, then I would totally recommend this. It gives them a lot of volume, a lot of darkness, and also pretty decent length as well. We've got the e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer. I just cannot get anything out of here anymore. It's kind of weird, but it's not that light. It's not as light as my other concealers are that I have in light shades. So I think what I'm gonna do is get Fair when I repurchase to see how that looks. It's made with vitamin C and green tea to help improve your skin texture. So it's very hydrating. It feels amazing on the skin, and I just loved using it when I didn't necessarily need anything to be bright, but I just kind of wanted things to be concealed in a very natural way. Speaking of natural, I also really loved the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. I used both of these completely up. They're in the shade R330. It's very buildable. It looks great when you build on it. I usually do like 2 layers, sometimes 3, like on problem areas, but that's why I ended up using 2 bottles of this, just because I love the full coverage kind of look. But this consistency is just so amazing. It feels almost like a serum when I'm putting it on. Like, it's not a thick, cakey kind of consistency. I mean, it's just so pretty. I love the finish of this as well, and I like the fact that I don't feel like anything's on my face when I'm wearing it. This is the Milani 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect Foundation in Warm Beige. It's a medium to full coverage, although I personally think this is a full coverage foundation. It covers literally everything. I love the shade that this is in as well, and it is my most longest lasting foundation that I own. Like, if I know I'm gonna be sweating, or I know I'm gonna be out for a while, or I'm gonna somehow get water on my face, then this is the foundation to go to. Like, it will stay on your entire day, and it'll look exactly the same at night that it did in the morning. And I have just like a tiny bit left in there, like seriously a tiny bit. I think I'm gonna, oh, that's easy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try and scoop it out like this. Duo Dark Tone Eyelash Adhesive. I lost the cap on him, but just finished using this guy up. I've gone through so many of these. It is the only eyelash glue that works for me, that actually keeps my eyelashes on. Fake Bake Flawless Self Tan Liquid. I actually get this on Amazon, and it does come with the mitt, although I need to wash mine. It's not orange at all. Like, it gives a very nice natural brown kind of tan, and I just rub it in really quickly. It absorbs, and it doesn't leave a sticky feeling. It dries so quick. No streaks or anything like that. And I actually, sometimes I don't even exfoliate my skin before I use it, and it still looks good. I mean, it's like impossible for that to look bad. This is the Caudalie Vinosource Moisturizing Sorbet. I think I got this in my Birchbox actually. It's this little sample size of it. This is the first time I've ever really tried anything from this brand, but I loved it. I used all of this up. What was really cool about it is the way that it felt on my skin. It's basically just a moisturizer, but it's a little different because it starts out as a cream, and then as you apply it onto your face and it makes contact with your skin, it bursts and turns into a gel. Amazing for dry skin if you're feeling irritated or red. I mean, it just kind of soothes and calms everything. I don't know how much the full size is, but I would really like to pick this up again. Briogeo Rosarco Milk. It's a reparative leave-in conditioning spray. Yet again, another sample size that I had got. I've used this completely up. Actually, today was the last time that I was able to get anything out of it. I really like to use this right after I get out of the shower. I'll spray this all over my hair. I'll even spray it on my tape-in extensions. It's made with rosehip, argan, and coconut oil, which all helps to moisturize and hydrate the hair. I love the fact that this doesn't leave that like nasty film of product buildup on my hair, so I can spray this right after I get out of the shower and then I'm good to go for the next few days, and I don't have that nasty like feeling on my hair. Like, it feels nice and weightless. I absolutely love this product, and I also really like their blow dry heat protectant cream as well. And I'm using, I think it's their deep conditioning mask, I think that's what it's called. I'm using that too. So I'm definitely a huge fan of this brand now, ever since I tried this little sample. And lastly is the Bath & Body Works Sensual Amber Shower Gel. It smells amazing. So not only is it making my skin really soft and feel super smooth, but it just smells so good. It says the keynotes are golden amber, wild berries, orange flower, lotus petals, and creamy sandalwood. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know what your product empties are down in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please leave a thumbs up on this video if you found it helpful or you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!